There is a long legacy of medical research in western Montana, from Rocky Mountain Labs to GSK in Hamilton and on to the University of Montana. And now that know-how might help resolve the coronavirus pandemic, as Dennis Bragg reports.
just received $2.5 million to help find a candidate for a COVID-19 vaccine. Telling Senator Steve Daines the labs are already hard at work, building on a foundation of progress on everything from the flu to opioid addiction.
It's exciting. It's not only exciting for me, it's also exciting for the people in the lab. Working on something with such a high national, local and national concern.
It reminds me what happened back in the early 50s with polio. And Dr. Salk, when they announced they had a vaccine for polio, everybody cheered. The announcement that hopefully sooner versus later, when we have a vaccine for COVID-19, you're going to have a nation cheer. And to think that the University of Montana is going to have a big part in that is very exciting.
We're looking at different types of antigens, different parts of the virus that can be used. We're looking at different immunostimulants that trigger the type of immune response that you want against a viral infection. And we're looking at different ways of delivering the vaccine. All those technologies exist in our vaccine platform here at U of M, and so we're combining them in different ways to try to solve this problem with coronavirus and make the most effective but safe vaccine that then can be used in people.
Daines says the UM focus fits with his concern to have more federal money to help with research, not just treating the pandemic symptoms.
I found that there wasn't enough resources placed against a cure. And that cure is getting these vaccines, these drugs, these therapeutics that will protect the American people, protect Montanans. I was able to secure $10 billion in that funding package that focused exactly on that.
However, there are other challenges as well. Evans told the senator that lab space is at a premium. That's something they'd like to solve in the future here at the University of Montana. Some relief will come by moving labs to a new building this summer, but UM says the real solution would be a new building for an institute.
There's a number of things that we do that are national import, in which most of those monies are actually going out of state, and there's jobs that are going out of state. And if we actually do some more efforts here, we can actually keep more of those dollars and more of those jobs here.
In Missoula, Dennis Bragg, MTN News.
There were 15 people when the former GSK researchers came to UM 4 years ago. Now there are 40.